Fast Fit Height Course. Fast Fit Height Course can increase your height. And help you to grow taller naturally. You can increase height quickly and fairly. This course is for both men and women. Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taysir, sexologist, is a man of determination. He always worked on mission of Taysir Herbal Laboratories. Now increase height 4 to 6 inches. "100% natural safe nutritional supplement." You can use it from 12 to 30 years of age. Fast Fit Height Course helps people gain extra inches. It is 100% herbal preparation. And 100% natural ingredients. This height increase supplement is very much effective. The duration of this course is 4 to 6 months. Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taysir leads company. And prepare aim of his father in real. More Speedy Fit Height Course is the first supplement. Which is most effective growing taller supplement. Fast Fit Height Course improve your life. Feel healthy and energetic. Fast Fit Height Course will only boost natural growth. Be taller and better looking. It makes a just radical difference in your overall height. Posture and outlook. If you want to increase your height, you should come to Taysir Dwakhana.
Welcome to Taysir Dwakhana. Dear patient, this is for your kind information. If you want to contact or call to Taysir Dwakhana, our call time is 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Friday off. Hakeem and Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taysir. Consultant sexologist alternative medicine. Specialist expert male and female. Infertility chairman Taysir Patient Welfare Society. In case of any emergency, you can contact directly to Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taysir. 0334-9552889, 0300-9552889, 0321-9552889. Can contact to Taysir Medical Board. Hakims and lady doctors. Or consultation about the old complicated and hidden sexual problems. Male and female infertility. And all general diseases. Our contact numbers are given below. 0333-5501390, 0323-5501390. For free consultation. Erection stiffness duration. Erectile dysfunction, lose erection. Please contact on these numbers. 0332-5607654, 0331-5607654, for free consultation. Regarding penis enlargement treatment. Bent penis, curvature penis, small penis. Please contact on these numbers. 0337-7007101, 0332-7007101. Email consultation. Women health issues, lecorrhea, periods problem, small breast, male and female infertility, and all general height, weight, lose, weight gain. Please contact on these numbers. 0336-5777696, or female consultation. Women health issues, height, lecorrhea, periods problem, small breast size, pregnancy, male and female infertility, all general diseases. Please contact on these numbers. 0336-5777697, 0332-1500540. In case of any emergency, you can contact directly to Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taysir. 0332-1500548, 0332-1500549. Address: Taysir Dawakana and Taysir Herbal Pharma, I-111, Iqbal Road, attached Punjab Bank, near Comedy Chowk, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Websites: www.tasirdawakana.com, www.tasirlabs.com, www.drtariqtasir.com, www.tasirlab.com, www.tasirherbalpharma.com.